Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ashley Ariane back with another video. Today we are doing a wash and go using all the Main Choice products, with the exception of my As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. But other than that, we're using all the Main Choice. I'm gonna be using, well, as you can see, I already washed, condition, deep condition, all of that great stuff, and I put leave-in conditioner in my hair already, but we're gonna get into the details after my intro. So I already washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I already put in the leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I used. And as you can see, I used quite a bit of it. This isn't the first time that I used this. I actually really like it. It's the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. I used it as a leave-in, and it's supposed to help to support natural hair growth and retention. It nourishes and moisturizes dry, brittle hair. So right before this, I had a low bun, so this was the product that I chose. Basically, you just leave it in. I used hella water, so much water, wet. It was wet. I put it in the shower. So we ready, okay? I'm gonna just show y'all what. Look at this. Look, who hair not moisturized. It's the winter time here in Chicago, so I am also gonna use an oil just to lock in some more moisture. It's cold outside. I don't want to be bumming it, slumming it, or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. You see it's already detangled. For the oil, I'm gonna use the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote oil. It's supposed to help support natural hair growth and retention as well. It penetrates well into the layers of your hair shaft. It prevents and repairs cuticle damage. It restores hair condition and delivers shine and makes your hair feel soft and reduce frizz. It got lots of great fatty acids and all of that great stuff, and then it just fight against split ends. So we're gonna use this bad boy because we want our hair to be popping. And just a little bit more. Yeah, rub that. Oh, and it smells good. Get that moisture. And then the star of the show, which I have another one because this is all I have left in this one, but we're gonna finish this one off today. It is the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid Out Glaze, okay? Infused with biotin and moringa seed oil. What do this do? It helps support natural hair growth and retention. You see the vibes that I'm bringing y'all for 2020. This is what we doing. We growing and retaining. It delivers amazing definition and flexible hold, restores and lock in longer lasting moisture. Winter moisture, though synonymous, okay? We just gonna look at this. I love this, y'all. Like, it looked like it's gonna be sticky and gooey like on your hair and leave it kind of nasty, but it ain't. The best part about a wash and go is that, or how to get the best wash and go, is you need a lot of water. So we just gonna do that. And then, boom. Ooh. Y'all see that? Look at, hold on. I don't think y'all feel me. I don't think y'all feel me. I had to scoot back so y'all could see it. Do y'all see? This is how we looking. I'm about to go sit under the dryer. This side is already shrinking up a little bit. This side I just finished. It's super duper glossy and white, but it will dry clear. My hair is not gonna flake. I do this wash and go all the time. So I will see you guys after I'm done drying my hair. Hopefully it's today, but I have things to do, so I might go out and then come back later and you might see second day hair. We'll see. Just be patient with me. Just be patient with me. All right, bye.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day and this is my final results. I did fluff it a little bit and stretch it a little bit with a blow dryer, but that is it. Put a little bit of edge control just to give it a little spice. Really fluffy, it's moving. Do y'all see this? I am pleased. So this is how we looking.